So we are sectioning the entire beach eventually. Right now we're just doing this sector, but we are going to be establishing a baseline for the entire Tortuga Bay to see how much microplastics we have here. So we can learn about the origin of the plastic by the color that it is, as well as estimating the age of the plastic. If we have something that is a little bit more intact, we know that it's probably a newer plastic. And then using our knowledge of the currents in the Galapagos Islands, we can kind of estimate where that plastic has come from based on the color, based on the age of the plastic as well. Most of the microplastics that are here haven't originated in the Galapagos Islands. So they're coming from all over the world and they're ending up on these beaches. So they're trying to figure out how much. They don't really know right now how much they have, so they're figuring out a baseline for it. But they know because of the currents of where the Galapagos Islands are located, it's coming from all over the world. There are microplastics all over the entire world. You don't have to go to the Galapagos Islands to find this. I teach in California, about 30 minutes away from a beach. It would be really easy to take a couple of wood pieces, nail them together, and go to the beach. If you don't live by a beach, you can go to a field by your house. You can go to the mountains, you can go to a lake. Unfortunately, this problem is not exclusive to the Galapagos Islands or to California or anywhere else. And it's really important to start encouraging students to get involved in science and know that it's not a 50-minute period experiment and then science is over, that this research can take days and months and years. But it's really important for the Earth to start figuring this stuff out so we can start figuring